ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining about the speed of a transverse wave in a string. Speed of transverse wave in a string. At any one of the string is connected to the one end, that end of the string is fixed and another one end is at any one of the human or completely, that is, if a string is oscillations, that time means how much speed is moving up. That wave also is the transverse wave. Transverse wave of the one wave is moving means the propagation wave and wave of the both are perpendicular is passing. That time the propagation wave side is the transverse wave is going time. The propagation wave of the above is the amplitude and below the amplitudes are both are same. These amplitudes is same only, but that time what happened, the speed, if you speed want means now one end is at fixed the string, now string is transverse wave going on time, now the string is going time, how much speed is maintained of this transverse wave in a string I need. This string of this speed I need means first at any one of the small part we can choose. Now I am choosing this small part. Now this small part of this string, now here string having, now automatically string is affected of the tension. If you at any one of the string having, now conformly that is tension force is applicable. Here also tension is having, but the horizontal of the component based, the string is some angle having, this is the theta, here also theta having. Here T is the tension, but component of the angle is having means this is T cos theta. Exactly perpendicular of the component is the T sin theta. And same as it is here also angle is theta having T cos theta component and exactly perpendicular of the T sin theta component. Now here the wave is continuously having time. If you suppose the wave is at the center base of the corners, this is the corner, this radius is the R having. Now here exactly half of the angle base means this angle is theta, here also angle theta, the total angle is 2 theta. Now here the string of the length is small length only considered, the small length of the string is dl I had considered. Now the string is continuously moving time of transverse wave, that time immediately the force of the restoring force is applicable. The wave, transverse wave continuously going time, the restoring force is applicable. The restoring force of the means here restoring force of the based two forces having, one is the T sin theta and another one also T sin theta, but T cos theta and T cos theta both are opposite direction. The both of the opposite direction of the cos theta tensions is cancels. These are the cancel, here also cancels means. Now next the restoring force is the restoring force also is a downward direction. The restoring force of the downward direction is 2t sin theta. Restoring force Fr equal to 2t sin theta. Now here generally sin theta is the angle, that angle is the small angle, small angle, sin theta nearly equal to the theta. Now Fr is equal to 2t theta means t 2 theta. These are the general formula of the restoring force, but here generally the angle is the 2 theta having means what is the explanation of the normally fundamentals of basic means theta equal length of arc by radius. This is the general formula, but now here angle is the theta at the center point base. It means the 2 theta equal to length of the arc here means dl, having dl by radius capital R. Now this is the first equation, here second equation. Now second equation is substitution in first equation. Equation 2 substitute in equation 1 means that time Fr is equal to T into dl by R. This is the third equation. Now the wave of the continuously moving time transfer of the means that time the acceleration is equal to A equal to V square by R. Now force I need force equal to mass into acceleration, but here mass of the string is small mass. Force F equal to dm into small mass into acceleration is V square by R. Now this is the equation 4. Now equation 3rd and equation 4 both are the forces are equal, balanced. Equation 3rd and equation 4 dm V square by R is equal to T into dl by R. Now here R cancelled, this dl coming to right side now, V square dm by dl equal to T. Now here mass is the changes per unit length. What is the calling of, if you any small mass having means small length having, if your mass also is variation means length also variation, means mu equal to mass per unit length. Now mu equal to dm by dl. Mu dm by dl replace mu substitution means V square equal to T by mu. Now V is equal to root of T by mu. If at any one of the string of the transverse wave going on time, the speed of the string in transverse wave means V equal to root of T by mu. T is the tension of the string forces and mu is the mass per unit length. Mass is the string mass and per unit of the length is called a mu. Here T equal to tension force. These are the explanation of the, if at any one of the string is connected at one end, if you continuously the string is oscillations time, how much the speed of the moving of transverse wave. The speed of the transverse wave in the string is the V equal to root of T by mu. Now applications. Already we have discussed the, if at any one of the string is transverse wave going time, the string of the speed is V equal to root of T by mu. Now first application based, at any one of the string is connected through the pulley, that time the string is connected at some mass. How much speed having the string transverse wave to means, one end we have fixed, one pulley is having, that pulley based connected some mass m having. Now here tension is applicable T. Downward is the gravitational force of the means mg having. Now tension T equal to mg. Tension having means here how much speed of the going of this string. String speed means V equal to root of T by mu, means speed equal V equal root of T by mu, means V equal to root of T means mg by mu. Here m is the mass of the body is hanging part and mu is the mass per unit length. Mass per unit length means the length of the string. These are the length of the string, and mass means mass of the string. String per unit length is called a mu. M is the here means mass of the hanging of part. If you at any one of the mass is connected at through pulley at string, that time the speed is V equal root of mg by mu. Suppose next second application, speed V equal to root of T by mu we know, but these tension based and mu based, how to we can write differently means generally mu equal to m by L, and generally density equal to mass by volume, and density equal to mass by area into length. Now here speed V equal to tension based, tension of the based means tension by mu means mass by length, mass equal to rho AL. Now here mu replaced m by L, mu means root of V equal to T by m means rho AL by L root. Here L cancel, remaining velocity V is equal to T by rho A. Now A is the, suppose the A is the whatever string is connected, the string of the area. String of area means that is the circular shape of the string have means the area of the string is the pi r square. V is equal to T by rho pi r square root. This is the one more applications. Next, if you suppose the body of mass is hanging after the body is immersed in the liquid, that time what happen, the speed means pulley having string is connected, some mass having this mass in liquid we have kept, here tension is applicable T, the string of the length L, velocity V. Now here also some mass having M, tension T equal to mg, but here if you tension at T equal to mg based is relation between of the body density and liquid density means T equal to mg 1 minus sigma by rho, here where rho equal to body density, sigma equal to liquid density. But if you had to any body is connected through the pulley, that time the body is immersed in water, that time what happened, the velocity of the speed of the transverse speed V equal to root of T by mu. V is equal to T is the mg into 1 minus sigma by rho into by mu. Here at any body is connected of the inside of the liquid placed means the velocity is root of mg into 1 minus sigma by rho by mu. These are the explanations of the at any body is inside of the water. Now two ends in between of the string is connected. The string is moving off the transverse wave, but the speed is V I need, but at any temperature is applied. Temperature is applied. If your temperature is applied means this string is elongation. Elongation is possibility means that time what happen means general formula of stress of the Young modulus base means Young modulus Y equal to stress by strain, but Y is equal to stress means force by area by strain means del L by L, change of the length by original length means Now F is equal to Ay into del L by L. Force we know means now coefficient of linear expansion. Why not? Because this string is temperature applied time, that is expanded is possible. Coefficient of linear expansion. Coefficient of expansion alpha. Alpha is equal to change of the length by original length into change of temperature. Now change of the length by original length, del L by L is equal to alpha into del theta. Del theta is the change of temperature. Now force replace del L replace force. F is equal to Ay into del L by L means alpha del theta. Now these are the force having, if any string is connected to ends in between of the temperature applied time, the force is the having means F equal to Ay alpha del theta. Del theta is the change of temperature. Now here how much speed of the having this transverse wave? Speed V equal to root of T by mu. T is the tension of the forces. Here force is the V equal to Ay alpha del theta by. These are the explanation of the velocity of the transverse wave connected in between of the two ends at some temperature applied time. These are the explanations of string in between. Means now another one more application. At any one of the pulley having, that pulley is hanging off some tension base. This Atwood machine based some masses is connected. One mass is M1 and another mass is M2 is connected. Now two masses in between of the tension is applicable. Tension. Now here at wood machine based the tension force is means tension T equal to M1 M2 2M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. These are the tension at the Atwood machine. This tension based the velocity of the speed finding means speed V equal to root of T by mu. Now T is the V is equal to T means 2M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G by mu root of. These of the velocity is explaining at the Atwood machine of two strings is connected. That time the velocity of variations means transverse wave of the velocity means V equal root of 2M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G by mu. These are the explanation of the speed of transverse wave in a string. Speed of a transverse wave in a spring. That time different applications are we have discussed. Thank you for watching this video.